Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Umar Muhammad Syafri, IT student at Iden Polytechnic and the major of network engineer. So, this video I would like to explain about L2TP tunnel. And my previous video, I was make the explain about PPTP or point-to-point tunnel protocol. So this video I will make the secure version of the tunnel. And like usually, before we start to explain, I will show the picture of L2TP. This is for your imagine how L2TP works. Okay, let's go to the explain. We're going to chapter 1. Right, what is L2TP? L2TP is layer 2 tunneling protocol. It's a VPN tunneling protocol used to create a secure virtual connection between two networks or between client and server. L2TP works at layer 2 or data link layer, meaning it can carry different types or traffic inside the tunnel. FYI, HTTP by itself doesn't provide encryption. That is why HTTP almost paired with IPsec for security. Chapter 2. How LTTP works. The LTTP tunnel process has two main parts. First is control connection, two is data tunnel. It uses UDP ports 1701 for LTTP. When combined with IPsec, LTP combined with IPsec, UDP 500, IKF phase 1, and then UDP 4500 is not traversal and protocol ESP for encryption. This is advanced explain. Maybe you can ask with maybe the specialist cybersecurity. And step 3, how and chapter 3, step by step, how an L2TP tunnel is built. Step 1, IPsec negotiation. Before the L2TP tunnel is created, IPsec must establish a secure channel. Once IPsec is up, both devices have a secure encrypted connection. Step 2, L2TP tunnel setup. Now, HTTP begins, router or client sends a start control connection request. And then server replies with SCGRP, and then both exchange message to agree on parameters. This creates the L2TP control channel. And step 3, session creation. A session is created inside the tunnel. During this step, the client is assigned a virtual IP. Server defines the session ID. The tunnel becomes ready for data. And step 4, data encapsulation. How the real traffic is sent. This is the way for data encapsulation. We'll skip this step and we're going to step 5, data transfer. Once the tunnel is active, client traffic goes securely through IPsec, L2TP wraps and transport data inside the tunnels. The server unwraps and forward to destination network. Step 4, why chapter 4 is why L2TP or IPsec is used. Advantage, strong security because of IPsec, stable and widely supported, works on Windows, macOS, Android, Linux, Microtik, and Cisco. For support not traversal or network addressing network address translation, and 6, good for site-to-site and remote access VPN. And for its disadvantage, slower than newer VPNs like WebGuard, requires extra configuration. Some networks block IPsec or UDP ports and use multiple layers. means overhead is higher. And um, that's all for me today. Here's a simple way to explain L2TP client, L2TP, yes, L2TP tunnel, and I will make the configuration maybe in other video. And thank you so much for watching my videos and see you in the next video. Bye.